Hello, hope you are well. So this is the final video about auto block. So you can see I used Zapier and this is the auto block for Scottish energy efficiency. So auto block will work at morning and at night. So this is the morning part. So this is the morning part setup. So I used Google Sheet to make the automation. So on the morning part every day at 10 a.m. it will work. Okay, so every that at 9:30 every day at 9:30 a.m. the automation will run, and at 9:30 a.m. a Facebook post will automatically generate it, something like this. So this is I just test this now. So this is the sample post with the AI generated image with Gemini with your logo. Okay, so I think the post is nice. Okay, so this is for Facebook, and same post will also add it to all other channels. Okay, so let me show you the most important thing. So I have created a Google sheet. There you can see the sheet name. So this is the sheet name for M10. M10 means morning. So you just need to add the topic and date. So we have 14 topic pending. That means this automation will run for next 14 days at morning 9:30 a.m. Okay, so we just need to add more and more topic, and each topic is completed, and this row will delete it. After the post is done, the row will be deleted automatically, something like this. So this is the final version of this automation post, and it will run more and more based on the topics. Okay, so I will also make for the night version, and I will uh, live them today also. So, and the other channels is Instagram, like LinkedIn, like Pinterest, like this image post platforms I will add to this. uh, so but for video auto post, this is a complex thing. We need to work on that later, because AI need to make a video, it needs some time. But photo post is completed, and let me finally live it, because I already tested and it's worked very perfectly. Thank you.